Howdy, we're back. We're making my last supper, so to speak. Okay, I'm going to do some egg fried prawn rice. And I've already got the prawns. They've been cleaned, deveined, and they're just sitting in some, about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And they don't hardly take any time to cook. So what we're going to do first is we are going to move that a little closer. And I know this is cheating. I'm not supposed to be cheating. But butter makes everything taste good. And seeing how I'm not going to be able to eat for a few days, this is my wok. As you can see, I got it up on high. And now we're going to put in, because I like the color, we've got onion and garlic in there. And we're going to put in some bell pepper. Add a little bit of sweetness and color to it. And we're just going to let that cook for a second. Now comes the magical prawns. Like I say, they've been I already used the heads for make a broth with. And they're just brown because of the soy sauce. Are y'all timing this? I hope so. And for my next step, since I let it heat back up, with some scrambled eggs. Now if you had a flat bottom wok, you could put it directly on the source of heat. But I don't, so that's not happening. Already smelling good. But now I'm going to have to let this get hot and start solidifying the eggs, cooking them a little bit. to which it's doing. I wished I would have had some green peppers, but that's okay because I've got, believe it or not, some green onions. I do. Now see, once you add those eggs and proteins in, you have to kind of watch because it will try to stick on you a little bit. But if you got your wok nice and seasoned, it'll be a piece of cake to clean. And I know you're wondering, okay, where the rice? Where the rice? Where the rice? Well, the rice is in the fridge. I made it yesterday, and seeing how I was told by a doctor I can't have white rice, I gotta have brown rice. So everything's gonna be a little bit tan. Except you can see some of the red in there, and you'll have some of the green and a little bit of tan and yellow from the eggs. Almost sounds like a Mexican flag or another country's flag. But it'll be smelling good already. Right now it's still sloppy. I could have taken the eggs, and I've seen some people make an omelet out of them, and then roll them over and cut them up and all that. I'm like, nah. That's an extra plate, and you get, now, if you want to make an omelet out of the eggs, go for it. It's not up to me. That's up to you. Just remember, you know, if you copy this dish, it's your dish. You own it. Be proud of it. Now we got the egg in there, and we got the onions and the garlic and the orange and red little baby bell peppers. Those were on sale, so I bought them. And I like a little bit of heat and a little bit of twang. And Uncle Roger's probably going to kill me for this. He's going to say, no, hey, don't do that. But you won't see me putting green peas in here. Nope. Green peas and I don't get along. Never have and never will. Even my cookbook doesn't have any green peas in it. But you can use them if you want. I'm not stopping you. And see, there's the rice. It's ready to go. I'm just trying to get some of this egg cooked. Get some of the liquid out. And since I like it a little bit spicy, I am going to put some sriracha. About a teaspoonful. Not much, just a little. Just to give it a little bit of kick. Now to get that distributed all over the place. It's distributed. Oh yeah. That shrimp didn't want to stay in. That's okay. Everything's clean in here and he will get eaten anyway. Yeah, I was watching Uncle Roger a while back, and this lady put dried rice, not even cooked rice, in a dish. You know, last night I was watching through some of the videos, and I saw it. Someone else does that. Okay, now what I basically have here is about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, some black pepper, coarse ground, and a dash of sugar. Don't need any salt. And we're just going to pour it around. And I'm going to mix it up. And try to get as much coverage of that sauce onto the rice. I like to throw a little bit of butter extra on there because, like I say, I'm not going to be eating for a few days probably. We're going to throw some green onions. So I didn't have any chili paste, so I used the sriracha. This is going to fill probably 2 or 3 people. And guess what? I just put the butter in there so that it doesn't stick too much and to itself. I mean, it's already cold and that butter's already melted. People, we are done. Now, if y'all copied that, you can add to it, or if you got ideas, feel free to speak them. Hit that like button and comment. I like comments, and don't forget to subscribe. And like I say, if you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, snuggle up. Y'all hit that like button now, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and the bell so you know when I try to post as much as I can. So y'all stay safe, and I love y'all. Have a good one.